So today's topic is Python language. In Python language, very first, we are going to discuss about a simple program, Hello World. How we can print the message in Python. Let's start. For using Python, we can go for any online compiler as I have already opened here. This is online GDB compiler for Python, and one more online compiler is there, tutorial points. As per your choice, you can go for any one compiler. Now, to print any message over the output window, what method we can use in Python? That is print method. So this is compiler. That means here, as we will write our code in the editor window, it will give us output on the result window, right? So before writing the program, let's go for some theoretical information. What is print method? Print method is used to print output over the output window. So print method is used for two purposes. Firstly, we can print message and we can print the value of variable, right? As it's mentioned here, the print function prints the specified message to the screen or other standard output device, right? The message can be a string or any other object. The object will convert it into a string before written to the screen. That means any value, if we are going to print over the output screen, though my example having x equals to 250. In this example, I have assigned an integer value to the variable x. Then, as I am asking to print method to print the value of x over the output window, it is going to convert x into a string, right? So over the output window, x will be printed in the form of a string. But in the memory, x having integer value. First example is about printing message with the print method. To print the message with the print command, we are supposed to use single invert quotation or double invert quotation, up to our choice. So whatever we write between double quote or single quote, it is going to be print as it is. So let's go for the practical for both examples. I'm here over the compiler. Okay, friends. So now how we can print one message with the help of print command. It's a print method. Method is also known as function. Now my target is to print the message. So I can use either double quote or single quote inside of the parenthesis. And here I want to write welcome in Python, right? So as I will execute this program, I will get output as one statement over the result window. Compiler takes time to convert the program and to generate the output. As you can see here, we have the message, welcome in Python. Now, another purpose of Python print function that we can print the value of any variable like x. But before that, we must give any value to the variable. So I'm giving a value to the variable that is 250, right? So this is my integer value. It is going to be printed over the screen. Yeah, we got 250, right? So these are two uses of the print function. Apart from that, what more we can do? Let's do something meaningful. Now here, with the help of print command, I want to print about myself. So I'm using print method and I will print my name first. Then I want to print my contact number. Contact number, I can write inside of invert quotation or without that, right? So directly I'm typing here the value, right? So directly typing value, it's not a good idea. We must give the value to the variable as I'm declaring my variable like CN, that is contact number. Contact number is equal to my value, and here I can print CN. So this is going to print my contact number, right? Let's execute the program. Always compiler takes time. Now myself, Anita Ahuja, and 81035398990, it's printed as output. But I want to print before this number one message, my contact number is. So my contact number is this message, and along with the value of variable, we can print both things together. So in the same print command, I will start the double quote and I will write my message. I want to give message my contact number is. My contact number is. And then, so this one print method I'm using for two purposes. One, to print the message, and in the same, I'm asking compiler to print the variable value. So these two things are different. So it must be separated by comma. It's a mandatory syntax, or we can say condition. Whenever in the print method, in a single parenthesis, we are planning to give two things. So we are supposed to put comma. So message and variable must be separated by comma. Let's execute this program. Yeah. So now second statement is my contact number is, and then value. And suppose now I want to print two message along with the help of single print method, right? So I want to continue about myself, like I am PGT computer science teacher. Then another message I will separate by comma, and I will print here I am working in Pioneer. I'm working in Pioneer. Now let's see two messages we have written in a one print method. So that's why I used comma to separate both the values. Let's execute this program. So target was to print two statements. Now two statements we have printed with the help of one print method by separated comma. So both statements are coming in a same line. But I want both statement, the last statement must be in the next line. So it is easy to use one more print method here. But apart from that, what can I do? I can go for /n. So on the place of separating two statements in a two separate invert quotation, I will use \n. This \n will allow the second statement to be printed in the new line. This \n is a control string. It will allow compiler to print the next statement in a new line. Before executing, let's check the theoretical part of that. As in this example, I used Pioneer coding /n. It's not a slash, it's a \n. And then second sentence, you see the output. Why so? Because it's a string literal, control string. String literals in Python print statement are primarily used to format or design how a specific string appears when print using the print function. \n, this string literal is used to add a new blank line while printing a statement, right? So let's go back to the compiler, and by using \n, what the difference will come over the output screen, Let's compile our program and check the difference. So surely we are waiting, and what we were waiting, we got exactly that output, right? So print method is used to print message as well as to print the value of variable. What more we can